Thunderstorm warning for northeastern rain in the evening, then 7:30 p.m. At 6:53, west wind. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kent County in southwestern Michigan until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sparta to near Walker to near Caledonia, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grand Rapids, Lowell, Wyoming, Kentwood, Walker, East Grand Rapids, Rockford, Sparta, Caledonia, Forest Hills, Northview, Granville, Ada, Grattan, Cedar Springs, Sand Lake, Cutlerville, Belmont, Alto, Alaska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.